Hello everyone, this is Kalpana here. In this video, we're going to see a problem from Laplace transforms. So let's get going. Problem: find Laplace transform of t sine 3t cos 2t. So just compare the problem with L of t power n f of t. Okay. So here the power of t is 1 and Sine 3t into cos 2t can be considered as f of t, that is function of t. Okay, we have to begin with L of sine 3t into cos 2t. Okay, first we will find L of sine 3t into cos 2t and then we'll go for L of t sine 3t cos 2t by using multiplication by powers of t. See, multiplication by powers of t says that if L of f of t equal to f of s, that is L of function of t equal to some f of s, then L of t power n into f of t will be minus 1 power n into d power n by ds power n into f of s. Right? So first we will find L of f of t here. So here our f of t is of the form sine a into cos b. Right? Since we know that sine a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, right? And sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. If you add these two, cos a sin b minus sin a minus cos a sin b gets cancelled and you'll get sin a plus b plus sin a minus b equal to sin a cos b plus sin a cos b is 2 sin a cos b. Right? So we have 2 sin a cos b equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Now take this 2 to RHS, then you'll get sin a cos b equal to 1 by 2 into sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. Right? If you know this formula, you can just directly apply the formula, since sine a cos b equal to 1 by 2 into sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. If you forget the formula, you can just find the formula using these two. Okay. Fine. Now we are going to apply this formula here. Well, when sin a cos b equal to 1 by 2 into sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, what will be sin 3t into cos 2t? For a equal to 3t and b equal to 2t, we'll get 1 by 2 into sin a, that is 3t plus 2t plus sin a minus b, 3t minus 2t. Right? Which gives us sin 3t into cos 2t equal to 1 by 2 into sin 3t plus 2t is 5t plus sin 3t minus 2t is t. Right? Now just replace sin 3t into cos 2t by the result obtained. Now this becomes L of 1 by 2 into sin 5t plus sin t. Right? We can write this as 1 by 2 into, just apply linearity property. Linearity property says that L of some constant into function of t plus or minus another constant into another function of t equal to constant into L of f of t plus another constant into, or plus or minus, L of another function of t. Okay, we are going to just apply this formula here. We'll get 1 by 2 into L of sine 5t plus L of sine t. Since we know that L of sine bt equal to b by s square plus b square, right? Now we are going to apply this formula for this 2. This gives us 1 by 2 into, just compare sine 5t with sine bt, then for b equal to 5 we'll get L of sine 5t equal to 5 by s square plus 5 square plus, compare these two, by comparing these two we'll get b equal to 1. For b equal to 1, L of sine bt equal to 1 by s square plus 1 square, right? This is equals to 1 by 2 into 5 by s square plus 5 square is 25. This s, it's s square, okay, plus 1 by s square plus 1 square is 1. Therefore, L of sine 3t cos 2t equal to 1 by 2 into 5 by s square plus 25 plus 1 by s square plus 1, right? Now coming to L of t sine 3t cos 2t. L of t sine 3t cos 2t. Now just compare this with this formula. If L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of t power n into f of t. Here sine 3t and cos 2t is considered as f of t, okay? So we got L of f of t, which is our f of s, then L of, by applying multiplication by powers of t formula, L of t power 1 into f of t will be equal to minus 1 power of t is 1 into d power 1 by ds power 1 into L of sine 3t cos 2t, or simply f of s for f of t equal to sine 3t cos 2t, okay? F of s is nothing but L of f of t, okay? Here f of s is nothing but L of sine 3t cos 2t. So I have written L of sine 3t cos 2t. Instead of writing this, we can just write f of s otherwise, okay? Now it's clear, right? This equals to minus 1 into d by ds into, I'll replace f of s by L of sine 3t into cos t. I can replace. It is not necessary to write this, okay? Just to show you that f of s is nothing but L of sine 3t into cos 2t, I just wrote this, okay? It's not necessary to write this here. Fine. So our f of s is 1 by 2 into 5 by s square plus 25 plus 1 by s square plus 1, right? You can just replace this f of s by this value. One by 2 into 5 by s square plus 25 plus 1 by s square plus 1, right? This is equals to minus 1 into constant 1 by 2 into d by ds of 5 by s square plus 25 plus 1 by s square plus 1. In order to make it clear, I'll write this as or minus 1 power 1 d power 1 by ds power 1 into f of s is nothing but L of function of t, that is sine 3t cos 2t. Okay, fine. This gives us minus 1 by 2 into derivative of first term plus derivative of second term. Right, this is equals to minus 1 by 2 into, here derivative of 5 by s square plus 25 can be written as 5 into derivative of 1 by s square plus 25 plus the second term remains same. This is equals to minus 1 by 2 into 5 into derivative of 1 by s square plus 2s with respect, it's 25, right? Derivative of 1 by s square plus 25 is minus 1 by s square plus 25 whole square into inner derivative. Derivative of s square plus 25 is, derivative of s square is 2s plus derivative of 25 with respect to s is 0. So you'll get 2s here. Plus derivative of 1 by s square plus 1 is minus 1 by s square plus 1 whole square into inner derivative, that is derivative of s square plus 1. Derivative of s square is 2s plus derivative of a constant with respect to s is 0. So you'll get 2s here. Or derivative of s square plus 25 is minus 1 by s square plus 25 whole square into derivative of s square plus 25. Okay. This is minus 1 by s square plus 25 whole square into derivative of s square with respect to s is 2s plus derivative of a constant with respect to s is 0, which gives us minus 1 by s square plus 25 whole square into 2s plus 0 is 2s. This is what I have written here. Okay. Likewise, derivative of s square plus 1 will be minus 1 by s square plus 1 whole square into derivative of, that is inner derivative, derivative of s square plus 1. This gives us minus 1 by s square plus 1 whole square into derivative of s square with respect to s is 2s plus derivative of a constant with respect to s is 0, which gives us minus 1 by s square plus 1 whole square into 2s plus 0 is 2s. What we wrote here, right? Fine. Now coming to the problem. This is equals to minus 1 by 2 into minus 5 into 1, 5 into 2s by s square plus 25 whole square plus minus 1 into 2s by s square plus 1 whole square, right? This is equals to minus 1 by 2 into, or you can just write this as minus 1 into minus 5 into 2s by 2 times s square plus 25 whole square plus minus 1 into 2s by 2 into s square plus 1 whole square, right? So here 2 gets cancelled, right? This is equals to minus into minus plus 1 into 5, 5 into s is 5s by s square plus 25 whole square. Plus minus 1 into minus 1 is 1 into s is s by s square plus 1 whole square. This completes the problem. Therefore, L of t sin 3t cos 2t equal to 5s by s square plus 25 whole square plus s by s square plus 1 whole square. Well, we have seen a problem from Laplace transform in this video. I hope you'll understand. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.